Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we are in the last week of September and the big question is if September will close in red or in green. So let me know in the comment section. So my name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So guys, smash those like and push the bell notification or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so then we can get more views and then more people will come in crypto. So let's go and check out our favorite bubble charts. Let's see what's happening out there and padam. Yes, so we see that most of the altcoins are in green. Bitcoin is up almost 4%, Ethereum is up 4.5%. That was a huge volatility the day before and yesterday. And we see that altcoins are consolidating, especially MV, AGNT, and yeah, Lunacy also pumping again, but Maker, Synthetics, and more major coins are doing well. Let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, as it seems that the fiat currency system is or brink to collapse, like we see the euro, the British pounds, the Japanese yen, and all other fiat currencies collapsing against the US dollar. We should say that Bitcoin and crypto is holding well, but the fear is dominating the market since last year, November. Let's go and check out our first news. Trader Tom Weiss says Bitcoin capitulation imminent. Here is his new crypto outlook. So let's quote from him. I still think a capitulation next week or the week after is very possible. So guys, we just need to wait for a couple of weeks and the capitulation maybe will be over. Disastrous looking candle. Everything here is calling for a short position according to his charting. Okay. Although the seasoned trader is expecting a new bear market low for BTC, Weiss says the correction will present the perfect opportunity for Bitcoin bulls. So now I think we are going to go to a second consecutive MRI buy, and then all the stars and the moon will align. We already have a monthly MRI buy on Bitcoin. We will have a monthly MRI buy next month in the stock market. The weekly MRI buy won't come in 3 weeks, so that's going to align as well. So sometime in early October we should align with everything. What's this MRI? This momentum reversal indicator. This indicator always this is an advanced script for professional traders that signals the end of trend based and the momentum in price action. So guys, if you believe in this MRI, but MRI is something that you see here. If you see this MRI, then it's signaling another drop, maybe to 16,000 or even lower, but a fast recovery, and then Bitcoin can find the bottom. Let's go and check out our next news. Here is a conservative Bitcoin price target for the year 2030 according to Invest Answer. So okay, the analyst also references Metcalfe's law, which states that a network grows in value as the number of users gets bigger, and the number of users are increasing and increasing day by day. Okay, so not hopium, just mass, and we do expect it to slow down, but the key takeaway here is Metcalfe's law holds the conservative model has Bitcoin reaching 3.4 million by the year 2030. That may seem completely impossible, completely ridiculous, outlandish compared to where we are right now, but anyway, let's go more into what's happening. Again, this is about adoption. It's an arms race, it's game theory, whatever you want to talk about it. Okay, so interesting viewpoint. Let's see if this Bitcoin will reach 3.4 million US dollar in 2030, just 8 years from now. So guys, this is the best risk reward deal that I have ever seen. But also we will love Bitcoin if just we reach 500,000 US dollar by 2030. So next Bitcoin bull run to be half story, half utility, according to Mike Novogratz. He talked at token 2049. Okay, so the next Bitcoin rally will require fast and scalable systems, which is community has yet to build. So now it's under building. Okay, so the Bitcoin bull run of 2017, one of the biggest historical rallies, was mostly about the story. The CEO said, referring to the cryptocurrencies run from about 1,000 to 20,000 US dollar within a year. So that was a 20x. It was a Generation Z millennial revolution, and this was global. That's a powerful story. Bitcoin hitting all-time highs about 69,000 in November 2021. Another big rally was really generated by the COVID-19 pandemic, probably 80% story and 20% utility. But in the next bull Bitcoin rally will have to be a 50% story and 50% utility. It's people building applications, people building systems, as that are fast and scalable and that are user-friendly. We don't have them yet. That's why we are where we are. But in the next few years, they are coming. And then the crypto adoption that also Invest Answers predicted can be real. Okay, next. Pantera CEO bullish on DeFi, Web3 and NFTs as token 2049 gets underway. Okay, let's check his outlook. Pantera, a blockchain-focused investment fund with 4.5 billion of assets under management, said it continues to see value in emerging crypto use cases. Morehead drew parallels to an early 2000-ish when emerging technology companies like Amazon, Apple and Google began to attract major investments after years of dominance by Microsoft in the stock market. We are almost at the point where half of the entire market are things that aren't the two main blockchains, and I'm still widely bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I just think these projects are going to perform even better and should be in someone's portfolio. DeFi, Web3, NFTs and Metaverse projects hold the most promise according to Morehead. Yes, the exciting internet is all about extracting value out of you. There are also some sketchy governance issues in big tech. I'm excited for a world where people create and add value and all these networks actually own their data. So this is quite important, that networks owning the data, networks creating value, creating services, utilities, and people using them, and also the money flows into and out the network. So guys, let's go and check out our next piece of news. Analyst who called May 2021 Bitcoin crash predicts major shift for the world's larger crypto assets. He is Dave the Wave, and he is charting here, and also let's see what he's talking about. Dave the Wave also notes that his logarithmic growth curve model indicates a nominal decrease in the corrections can be expected for Bitcoin, which he says is bullish. So the nominal decrease in the corrections, you couldn't have asked for better lines to have been drawn in 2018 that would have accommodated subsequent price action as well as these lines. So here is this logarithmic regression, logarithmic growth curve model. Okay, and if zooming in, you see 2018, and now we are here, and also it's showing a bottom on this logarithmic regression. BTC chart is for the investors, hodlers to identify optional entry points, risk management to both sides. Focusing on short-term trades with odds on my odds page. Longer term logarithmic growth curves model, higher probability than short-term TA. No crystal ball, yes. Yet once corrected, the price becomes more sustainable. These patterns of alternating explosive of corrective movements in the price, also seen as cycles, has led to the formation of a covering channel atop of the logarithmic growth curve. Great. Next piece of news is crypto analyst predicts parabolic rally for Bitcoin. Here is his target and timeline, and he is credible crypto. Why we have gone lower than expected in terms of price? Macro invalidation hasn't been hit, 14,000, and time-wise we are still right on the track for our fifth wave, despite what it may seem. Time-wise, wave 4 correction is proportional to third wave, just as wave 2 was the first wave. So first, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and the wave 5. And he is using this wave theory to identify the next cycles. So, according to Credible, he expects Bitcoin to skyrocket to around 150,000 next year. Heard almost exactly the same during the COVID crash in March 2020. We went 20x soon after. More chop, more sweeps of our local lows. Liquidity continues to build to the upside, and inefficiency still looms. Most logical move is still up, in my opinion. Maybe we take June lows first, maybe we don't. Regardless, we are going to rip up the fill, this void, sooner or later. So from this choppy movement, he expect take out again June lows, and then going and starting the next wave. And the next wave, as you see, is going up to 150,000 US dollars. Next piece of news is Russia aims to use CBDC for international settlements with China. Guys, this is huge news. Also, just reminding you that there was a huge meeting for central bankers and the European central bankers, Asian central bankers, the Fed. Powell also talked about CBDCs, and I think all central banks are working on CBDCs. China already has its own CBDCs, and now Russia aims to use CBDCs for international settlements. The topic of digital financial assets, the digital ruble, and cryptocurrencies are currently intensifying in society, as Western countries are imposing sanctions and creating problems for bank transfers, including in international settlements. So guys, I think, just my opinion, don't listen to me, that these sanctions are just causing Russia and China working out the new kind of money that it's digital. Yes, that will be a CBDC, a central bank digital currency, but at least they will innovate first with this, and also maybe this will just questioning the rule of the US dollar monetary and reserve currency status. So I'm really excited to see these developments. So guys, some sanctions can cause more innovations to come, but hopefully that will also help Bitcoin and other cryptos. UAE Ministry of Economy opens up new headquarters in Metaverse. So UAE is the United Arab Emirates, Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and they are opening up a new Ministry of Economy has announced a new headquarters located where anyone in the world can visit in the Metaverse. So guys, this is huge. So the ministry moved to the Metaverse. Huge adoption news. And guys, also I find this really interesting. That was a news And also they mentioned on this Fed meeting that 21% of the population already bought cryptocurrencies, and this is how this crypto adoption is just getting much stronger. Next piece of news is Rich Dad Poor Dad author says biggest crash in decades is coming. Details impact on Bitcoin, gold and silver. Everything bubble into everything crash. I'm warned in my books. The biggest crash has building since 1990s. Rather than fix problems, Fed printed fake US dollar in the everything crash. Everything crashes, even gold, silver and BC. What's BC? Maybe bonds. Your ultimate assets in giant crash, your financial wisdom. So your ultimate asset is your financial wisdom, and your financial wisdom is telling you that Bitcoin. According to the Bitcoin bull, the best defense against such an economic environment is BTC, gold and silver. US borrows too much money. US keeps interest rates low. Low interest rates forces US to borrow more US dollar to buy more US bonds. To keep interest rates low, it causes inflation, forcing interest rates up. Debt becomes too expensive. US dollar dying. Buy gold, silver, Bitcoin. I am very optimistic and bullish on blockchain, so if Bitcoin goes down to 1000, I'm backing up the track. I remember well gold in the year 2000 was 300 US dollar an ounce. You can wait for it, go to 300 or 330,000, 3,000 or 30,000, and also before you buy. That's what stupid people do. They buy the top of the market. They all jump in like idiots. I'm waiting for the next crash. Same with real estate. Real estate is crashing right now. I get very excited about it. Everything is going on sale. I don't want to pay retail. I want to pay whole house. It's common capitalism. So guys, at least he is the defense against such an economic environment is BTC, gold and silver. So guys, that's it for today. Let's go and check my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me and CorionX on Twitter. And also guys, we have this promotion running that B-Box reward pool for this trading competition is 20,000 US dollars. So guys, don't go to B-Box, sign up and also just crashing it and earn up these juicy trading profits on B-Box. Okay, so next, Laserpunks is doing well, and also yeah, so fiat people losing faith in fiat money, losing trust. And also this is the Dave the Wave chart if you want to look into it. Max Kaiser predicting Bitcoin making 20x as the bond markets will collapsing, according to him. Plan B says that half of Bitcoin holders are in loss, other half in profits, and this is the BTC in loss charts. Which pill do you take? Definitely the red one. Test mint was successful, so we are so happy at Laserpunk Guts. And also here are the largest US equity drawdowns, and just we are here, so maybe the market will crash further. And also Bitcoin decoupled from the Nasdaq for a short period of time, and also GBP, so the British pounds just losing its head against the US dollar. So guys, let's go and check out our farms. Go to Uniswap and PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity and look up your liquidity pool tokens and earn up a juicy APIs around 300%. So guys, let's go and check out the charts. So as we see on the BLX chart, that on the monthly, this is the monthly candle. So if the monthly candle will close, let's say about 20,000 US dollar, that there is a chance that we will have a green September candle, and this is quite rare because September always red. if I'm switching to the daily chart, that we see that there is this huge trend line that doing this downward trend and pushing this downward trend. But also we see that these levels are holding strongly. So this is our real support. It seems for a real support. And also we are going into the apex of this triangle. So a huge movement will come. And this consolidation is more than 113 days now. So longer consolidation. So let me know in the comment section, do you expect Bitcoin to break down and swipe out this 12 and 14,000 US dollar levels, or it will break down and starting a huge new bull rally? So on the shorter time frame, we are doing some trades, and we are shorting, we are longing, but the market is really choppy right now. So we longed, we short, we longed, and now also we are sitting in a long, stop loss in profits. So guys, this is how we trade. Let me know if you are interested to get more trading setups and trading signals. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Definitely go use our farms. Let's go and trade in the competitions. We will post our referral link that also you will get special benefits on Bbox, and just trade CorionX and earn these 20,000 US dollar rewards. And also seeing you in the next video. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.